Well, hey y'all, hey, it is T and I'm back. And no, I do not have a backpack on. I wear this brace on my back because I do sit in an office chair all day and it just keeps my posture good. I do have degenerative disc disease, so this just helps me to keep my posture in check so that I don't make the condition any worse. So anyway, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are not new, welcome back. My name is T. I talk about a little bit of everything up here, but I do focus heavily on finance and finance related topics. Now, before I get into anything today, I gotta say, go Canes! My Carolina Hurricanes won. They won the Stanley Cup, y'all. So they are the champions. They are the champions. So I'm so excited about that. I had such a blast last night watching that game. I was screaming, hooting, hollering, and everything else, just wanting them to win. And they won 3-0. So they really kicked butt. Go Canes, go Canes, go Canes. All right, y'all. So if you are interested in my next update, this is going to be my debt update. I am on a debt-free journey. And so I've been working on that, and this is going to be my update for June 2026. It's a good one, y'all. Let's go. When I give my debt updates, I always like to go into where I was, where I started, and then go into the current day. So I'm just going to briefly go over where I started. In 2025, I started off 2025 with mortgage only debt. So I had no consumer debt, no credit cards, no anything, which I still do not have any credit card debt. But I started off January of 2025 with $82,699.70 in mortgage debt only. Well, later in the year, I decided to replace my car, so I did get a new car in November of 2025, and at that time, I had $71,914.17 left on the mortgage, and I added a car loan of $35,456.54, so my debt went up to $107,370.71. Well, last month we were sitting at $91,891.76 in total debt. That was for May 2026. I had $64,204.80 in mortgage debt and $27,686.96 left on that car. This month, y'all, I gotta say it, and I'm excited. We made it to the 80s. We made it to the 80s. Y'all, I am finally in the 80s, and I wanted to get below 80, at or below 80,000 by the end of this year. And I'm so excited because we are on track to do just that. So currently, the mortgage sits at $62,999. We just barely squeezed under that $63,000 mark, but we are there. So that's where we are with the mortgage, and the car is at $26,945.51. So we're in the $26K range for the car. Total debt, $89,944.51. We're knocking it out, y'all. Y'all know I told you we knock out debt over here. So we are knocking this debt out, and I am so excited about it. So that brings us to a total, we're nearly just a little bit shy. Maybe in another month I can say we've paid off $20,000 of that debt from where we started, from the $107,000 we started at. So we're making some progress. We're making some headway, and I am thrilled. Now, there's something else I want to give you an update on. I decided what I was going to spend my little savings money on. On my last video, wasn't my last video, or my most recent savings challenge video, I'll say that. I saved some money because I wanted to spend it on myself. And I decided what better way to spend that than to buy myself some new swimwear 4-hour beach trip. I did get that scheduled. I got it scheduled and we are ready to go. So that's done. We are going in July though this year instead of June because that worked out better for my husband's schedule. But we are going. It's already booked. I'm excited. I did upgrade our room this time because usually we just go whatever room is there, we just go. But I wanted an ocean view this time. My husband had talked about it last time, so we did get a room with an ocean view this time. That's going to cost us about $2,300 for our accommodations, and which is, it's about the normal. This is a high traffic time. You know, the summertime is when everybody's going, so the rates go higher. So we were expecting that. That money will not be budgeted money though. We actually put away savings to take trips if we want to take trips and do outings and stuff like that. So that's just going to come out of our joint savings. So it won't be a budgeted item. It's already been paid in full from our savings. All right. And today I'm going to start this challenge. And this is a challenge that was hosted by Abigail from Blessed Budgets by Abigail and Sharma Budgets. So if you haven't seen my most recent post, check it out. It has all the info there of how to do this challenge, how to get this challenge if you want to play along. But it's a Sun, Fun, and Savings challenge. And it's a collaboration with Abigail, Sharma Budgets, Lifted Up and Living, and then me, Life with T76. So basically, the game is a dice play game, and you play it just like a board game. It's just like a board game, and you roll, and then you go the number of spaces, and if you land on a creator, you go to their YouTube channel and check them out, watch a video, and you visit their Ko-Fi shop and grab a challenge that you like. You save the amount that's shown on the space. So that's what you do with this. And for me, I do not have a Ko-Fi, so it has alternate things to do if the creator doesn't have a Ko-Fi. So that's covered too. That's all covered. So we're going to play this game, and then I'm going to show you guys what I got for our trip. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. Hope you guys are ready to play. We are playing this Sun, Fun, and Savings challenge here. So I'm going to start from the beginning. First, I'm going to read the instructions here really quick. On how to play, you will roll your dice and you will save the amount listed on the space that you land. Mark off your progress as you go. Have fun and enjoy supporting our amazing creator community. If you land on a creator icon, visit the creator's YouTube channel and watch a video. Visit their Ko-Fi page and grab any challenge that interests you. Save the amount shown on the space. How I'm going to do it is I'm going to save whatever amount is on the die. If they do not have a Ko-Fi, no problem. If the creator does not have a Ko-Fi page, you can grab an extra challenge from another creator and or watch an extra video from that creator and save the amount shown. And then there's a bonus saving opportunity if you want to grab Abigail's spicy cards. You see me use those in previous savings challenges. So if you want to use the spicy cards, grab those and it can make your savings add up. All right, so I'm going to start. What did you guys do this weekend? I'm going to leave my phone close by because I'm going to go ahead, if I land on a creator, I'm going to go ahead and start a video from them. So what did you guys do this weekend? I went and saw Michael. I did. I had an amazing time. We did it at a dine-in theater. So the theater has, you can order food. It's got a bar. Reclining seats. We had a really good time. So it was kind of like date night and some fun. But the movie I thought was great. I really enjoyed it. My first roll is a 3, y'all. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to mark these off. And then I'll tally at the end and put how much I've saved here. So 1, 2, 3 spaces. So I'm going to mark off the 3. And yeah, I decided to use my savings to buy some swimwear for our beach trip. And I got some really cute pieces. I got an American flag one. That's a tankini. 1, 2, 3. So I landed on Abigail. And I'm going to put a 3 because that's what's on the die. And I'm going to go ahead and start a video from Abigail. Let me go to Blessed Budgets by Abigail. Oops, she was already at the top. But yeah, so I got that. And so I spent the $60 on the American flag one. I am playing the flip through video for Abigail. I got the American flag one, and I got a 2-piece crocheted looking swimsuit. It's really, really pretty and colorful. And I got a cover up for that crocheted swimsuit. I really love that one. It's probably my favorite one out of that 3, but that's what I got for the $60. And then I ended up using my gift card for an additional $40, and I got a black swimsuit, a 2-piece that's it has that kind of crochet feel to it. And I got 2 sarongs. So the swimsuit and 2 sarongs was like $46. And then the American flag swimsuit and the crocheted swimsuit and the cover up was $60.96. So I got a really good deal. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So check off the 2 here. I'm listening to Abigail in my ear. 3. So 1, 2, 3. But yeah, we're planning our beach trip in July, so it's going to be a good time. I really, really needed it. I got a 3. 1, 2, 3. I really needed it because I've just been under a lot of stress. So I figured this will give us some time to decompress and have some fun. We plan to ride horses on the beach. That's one of our activities that we're going to do. 1, 1, which would be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I am excited about that. And got 3. 1, 2, 3. That's $1. And I'm the last one here. So will I get a 1 and land on myself? Will I get a 1 and land on myself? Nope, I got a 6. But I'm going to actually go ahead and save 6 as my final roll. So let's count this up. We got 3, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the 6 would be $18. So I saved $18 in this challenge, y'all. And I still have Miss Abigail playing in the background. I will be visiting her Ko-Fi. But as a bonus as well, since I didn't land on the other 2 wonderful creators, Sharma Budgets and Lifted Up and Living, I will be going to your pages as well to run videos and show some support. So I hope everybody picks up this game. It's really fun, sun and fun savings. So I don't even have exact change. Only got 20s and 5s and 1s. So I'm going to have to get some change from somewhere and put my $18 there. But I'll take this 20 out for now. And I will see you guys soon. That's really all I have today. I thank Abigail, Sharma Budgets, Lifted Up and Living. Thank you all for including me in this wonderful challenge. I had a good time. This is super cute. Y'all, please go get this challenge. It's super cute and it's a really fun way to save. So check it out. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and